You can set your screen to turn black and white at specific times, or just manually set it to black and white and stay that way until you turn it back to normal. Let's look at the fully manual option first. We'll go to Settings and scroll down to Accessibility. From here, I'll go to Vision Enhancements, and there we have a menu for color correction. This allows you to add a variety of color corrections to your display, and the first step is to simply toggle it on. When I scroll to the bottom, I can choose what type of color correction gets added to my display. Now all the color is gone and I have a fully black and white phone. It will stay like this until I go back to the same menu and toggle color corrections off. If you don't want a black and white screen all the time, you can also schedule this. I can go to Settings and from there to Modes and Routines. Then I can add Grayscale screen to be a part of any mode on my phone. I could, for example, make it a part of my sleep mode. I can go to Other Actions, and there's a variety of actions I can assign to this mode, including the Grayscale display. I'll add it to my sleep mode, and now whenever sleep mode turns on, my screen goes black and white. And because this is assigned to the sleep mode, or any mode you choose, I can set this to turn on automatically. There's a lot of different conditions you can set to trigger this, for example, a place or a specific time. If I wanted to set this as a part of my sleep schedule, I could go here and set this to turn on at specific time of the day to help me wind down and reduce my screen time, just as an example. And that's basically it. Recent studies show that users who switch to Grayscale can reduce their screen time by an average of 20 to 40 minutes per day. So this is actually a pretty smart way to control your screen time and dopamine loop. Click that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.